Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2017 Jaguar XE R Sport Automatic. Now this is a beautiful car, lovely low mileage, finished in Firenze Red, which is a beautiful metallic red. We've got a number of these cars in at the moment, and some XFs and F-Paces as well in this wonderful, wonderful colour. Now the paintwork is in absolutely outstanding order. Gorgeous, gorgeous looking car this. I hope you can see the fleck in the paintwork there just as the sun lands on it. What a wonderful car to polish on a Sunday, this one. We're sat on the upgrade 17-inch aerodynamic sparkle alloys, and they've got fantastic tyres on. In fact, it looks really recent. You've got like a little, you know, the paint marks on the tyre as you would when the tyres are pretty new. Now the car itself got lovely external, so you've got parking sensors front and rear. We've got the nice gloss silver blades in the front bumper, then the wonderful silver gloss surround on the front grille. Taking a look down the sides of the car, you can tell it's been really, really well maintained and cared for. Absolutely gorgeous. Now we do a 3-stage machine polish on it, so it's fully detailed to the highest of standards, so it's absolutely gleaming when you come and look at it. All the wheels are in fantastic order. I can't see any scuffs or anything on any of them. We've got the reverse parking sensors here as well, and then as I pop the boot open, we've got a great big huge boot on these. Underneath the boot floor we've got the tyre inflation kit and also the locking wheel nut. All the bumper corners are in lovely order, and then in the sunshine there, the shadows just reflecting off the car. Beautiful, beautiful. Again, the rear tyre and wheel are in exceptional condition. Wonderful, wonderful looking car. Now this one's got 2 keys. We've got the book pack. All our cars will be serviced before they leave us, MOT'd if required, and also come then with a balance of a 6-month guarantee. They're highly presented to the industry leaders. Now this one has the 2-tone leather interior. My favourite leather interior for Jaguar this. So we've got the black and the light oyster, and then with the grey and dark grey stitch. Gorgeous, gorgeous interior on this. Always tell somebody who's taken care of one of these, because the light oyster interior is in perfect condition. Just look at that. There really is a sense of occasion when you're looking at a Jaguar with this particular interior. Now we've got only 27,389 miles on this car, so think about that. 5 years. Lovely, lovely low mileage vehicle. Automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, leather trim multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, and then radio controls. This one comes with some nice options. I've listed them on the advert. We've got lane change assistance and driver monitor. Standard central display, DAB radio, Bluetooth phone, climate control, satellite navigation, super easy to use. Digital climate control, heated seats there for winter. To be honest, I drive around with heated seats on all the time. Lovely. You can 3-way heated seats. ZF gearbox there. Both keys, as you can see, are here with it. Nice to see. And then we've got the driving modes there. In the glove box, all the books are in there as well, so you've got everything you can read. Lovely interior detail on this car. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last owner wasn't a smoker. In fact, it still has that scent of a new car in here. Our valeters wash everything from the carpets, the seats. They will then leather condition the seats, so they are as new when you come to view them. But just take a look at that. Lovely, lovely. In the rear of the vehicle, that also is in outstanding condition. The door cards are all unmarked, no real damage. The back seat is as new in every way. Carpets, just look at them. They don't even look stud on. What a wonderful example that. Absolutely gorgeous. You can tell the previous keeper loved his car. Jaguar owners tend to be. They are very particular on their vehicles, and ours in particular, we only buy the best. So if you were looking for a beautiful Jaguar XE 2-litre diesel, automatic, with all the bells and whistles, then this is the car for you. Got a part exchange? Give us a call. If you need any information on finance, give us a call also on that. We've got some great finance on this, whether it be PCP or hire purchase. I'm Graham, we've got Dominic and Lee on sales. We will be happy to help you in any way. Check out our Facebook page, you'll see lots of customers from all over the UK collecting our cars. Like us, share us. Have a look on our YouTube channel, you see lots of nice cars if you like cars. Subscribe to the channel, give us some ideas of stuff you'd like to see if you want. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.